Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to reveal to you how you can fix the Comet AI web browser lagging or working slowly issue in 2025. So let us dive into this. Alright guys, so let me launch the Comet AI browser on my desktop computer. And there are several approaches to this or possible solutions. Let us start with the most basic ones and after that try also other solutions. So what you want to do is launch the Comet AI browser. And in the first step, guys, make sure that you check how much RAM or memory the Comet AI browser is currently using on your device. You may do this through two different options. You may, for example, access your device's task manager and here under processes, check how much RAM or memory the Comet AI browser is currently using. As you can see, it is using quite a lot. So if it depends pretty much on your RAM or memory strength, for example, and if you don't need any of the other processes, guys, you may simply close them to give Comet more RAM or space usage to use, for example. That's option number one. Option number two, check how much RAM or memory the open tabs are using. You may simply check that by hovering a mouse over the given tab, and you will see the memory usage listed below. If you're having too many or keeping too many of these tabs open at the same time, guys, and if your computer has not the strongest memory or RAM, you may simply close some of these tabs if you're not using them. Alternatively, if you'd like to keep them open but not use as much or the full or the memory to its full extent for each open tab, guys, you may simply enable the memory saver here on Comet AI. It is a feature that most browsers out there like Brave or Chrome feature as well. To open it or to access it, navigate to your account in browser settings by clicking into that arrow down icon in the top right, select settings, and here in your browser settings, navigate to performance and make sure that the memory saver is enabled here and find your preferred setup for your memory saver. The memory saver will simply free up memory from inactive tabs, guys, and these tabs will automatically become inactive after a specific period of time, depending on your selection here, like longer period, shorter, optimal, and so on and so forth. Last but not least, guys, you may of course check also the task manager of the given browser. You may do that by clicking into that space here in the top right corner, or if you have only a few tabs open, you will see that space also here, depending on how many tabs you have open. Right click into it, select task manager, and simply monitor the CPU as well as the memory usage for these open tabs. You may always, for example, end the given task or process by clicking into this button that is going to close, for example, a specific tab. And then, guys, what you want to do in the next step is check if the hardware or graphics acceleration is enabled on your Comet AI browser. To do that, navigate back to your browser settings. And here, guys, switch from performance to, let me find it, to here, to system on the left panel. And make sure that the hardware / graphics acceleration, depending on which wording you prefer using, is available and is being used here. So if you don't want to use it and that way fix that lagging or slowly working issue, guys, you may consider turning it off and after that relaunch the Comet AI browser to fix this issue. Another possible solution to this would be to simply reset your Comet AI browser to its factory settings. You may do that by navigating to reset settings here and follow these instructions. Click into this button, confirm by clicking to reset settings here, and that is going to restore your factory settings here in Comet AI, which means, guys, all extensions will be disabled. All your Comet settings here will be reset to default or to factory, and also all your Comet shortcuts. It will delete your cookies and other temporary site data. However, your bookmark websites and your browsing history are not affected by this. And last but not least, guys, you may also check how many extensions are currently installed on the Comet AI browser here on your device. To do that, or in your profile to be more precise here, to do that, click into extensions at the bottom or simply click into that arrow down icon in the top right, navigate to extensions and click into manage extensions here. As you can see, I'm currently not using any extensions, but if you are, you will see these listed here so that you may remove them. You will see a remove button and also a turn off, turn on toggle here to the right or a switch. So you may turn off these if you believe these extensions may be causing these performing issues. And in the final step, guys, you may also find out if you're using the most updated or newest version of Comet. It is something I regularly do to find out, for example, if I'm using the newest version, if there have been any updates, and to fix possible performance issues. What you want to do is navigate back to your browser settings. And here, guys, at the very bottom, you will see about Comet. Click into it and simply click into this button, check for update. And Comet AI will then check if there have been published or released any new versions of the browser, and also give you the notification that if that's the case, that the newest versions can now be downloaded and installed, so that you may install these and after that relaunch Comet AI. And hopefully that may fix the issue. Please let us know in the comments down below which one of these approaches or solutions have fixed the issue for you guys. Hope you enjoyed this video, got some real value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.